Only on the time, the little bad wolf go. One time, a big bad wolf. You pity, so go build
What do they build?
those houses.
And what are the houses made of?
I don't know.
Sticks and bricks. Right?
They eat bricks.
Okay. And what does the wolf do to the houses?
Go further.
Okay. And then what does the other pig make their house out of?
I don't know.
He built it out of bricks. Did the wolf blow down the house? No. Say, that's the story of the three little piggies.
That it won't be.
Now, how about Jack and the Beanstalk? Okay.
Running on the time, did you boy name that itty beanstalk?
That's right.
He had his bell hair in the blue pedal he had.
Okay.
A tree.
Yeah.
And so it's me
Okay.
and a big bad wolf. Now the superhero, a hippopotamus hero.
And the hippopotamus hero? Oh, right.
Then tag him is a big bad wolf.
Oh, my goodness. The big bad wolf? All right. Is that the end of the story? Say the end.
The end.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.